Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete the Advent Calendar mission in Grow a Garden Game of Roblox New Christmas Update Part 1. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Christmas update part 1 has been released in Grow a Garden, and to do the advent calendar mission or quest, you can go to this area and you will see advent calendar section right here, and I'm going to talk to the NPC and I'm going to view the calendar. Okay, and basically you just need to do all these missions guys to get a gift. Okay, and I'm still working on the missions. As you can see, I still need to harvest more bamboos, and after you complete all the missions or the advanced calendar, you will get this final reward, which is the gingerbread blossom seed, and it's very cool. So you just need to complete all the missions and you will get gift, and for the final reward you will get this gingerbread blossom seed. Make sure that you complete them all to get this limited seed. Okay guys, and that's all about the advent calendar missions or quest in Grow a Garden Game of Roblox new Christmas update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.